Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So, today we're going to connect with the angels and ask for some guidance. So, make yourselves comfortable. Just close your eyes and take your time going within. And just have that intent of connecting with the angels, being open, being receptive, trusting that they are there to help you and support you and guide you, and they are trustworthy. Welcoming in your highest angels now. And imagine beautiful healing light all around you. Feel that wonderful, soothing, healing energy from the angels, embracing you, helping you feel very comfortable, very relaxed, very much at peace, very loved and supported. Opening up from the inside out. Opening up to the angels, opening to their guidance. And the first message the angels have for you today is to consider doing some workshops or seminars, or going to some workshops and seminars. This is your time to get out there, connect with other similarly minded souls, be in their energy, that similar energy, that uplifting energy, that supportive energy. It will help you to grow and expand and uplift and ascend even more. And it also gives you an opportunity to learn and share your wisdom. So open yourself up, open your mind, open your heart, open your soul, and get out there and grow, learn, and share. Thanking the angels for that message. And open up to the next. And the message is acknowledging how sensitive you are. And acknowledging that it is one of your gifts. Your sensitivity is one of your greatest gifts. You care a lot. So anytime that someone calls you sensitive, look at it as a positive. You are very, very loving. That's what they're saying. You're very loving, very caring, very pure-hearted, open-hearted. And that's a positive. That's a gift. You have a great, huge heart, and you know how to use it. So let yourself open up and use it, being aware of the energies around you, being aware of them, and acting accordingly, protecting yourself, making sure you're around supportive energies, opening up when you know it's safe to do so, and being present as much as you can, being a presence of love always, but protecting your energies, taking care of your energies. You have the gift to do that. You have the ability to do that. You are aware of the energies around you. So keep trusting yourself and your gifts, and let them guide you every step of the way. Opening up now to the next message the angels have for you, and it's to cut your cords, cut any attachments, to release them, let them go, to call in Archangel Michael to help cut and release those attachments for you with his flaming sword of transmutation. So do this right now. Call in Archangel Michael. With that intent, and know that he is with you now. And ask him to very carefully, very lovingly, very delicately, very powerfully cut and release any attachments, any heavy energies that no longer serve you. And see that happening and feel that happening, allowing it to happen. Know this will serve you. Hear that snap, that snip, and feel that release instantly. Thanking Archangel Michael for this wonderful act of love. Asking him to continue to work with you, knowing he will. Continuing to help you and support you and guide you. Thank you, Archangel Michael. And thank you to yourself as well for being so open and trusting and allowing these attachments, these cords to be cut and released once and for all. Welcoming in the next message from your angels, and it's one regarding your parents. They're asking you now to send love to your parents and to receive love from them. Knowing they did the best they could, and they continue to do the best they can. Even if they're not with you physically at this moment or in this life anymore, know that they send you all their love. No matter how they treated you, know that they did the best they could for your highest growth, for your development. Let it all help you. Let yourself learn from everything, make you to the best possible version of you, bringing peace to your parents, father figures, mother figures, bringing peace to you, that whole relationship, healing that inner child, giving her a great big hug, knowing all was, is, and will always be in divine order, and everybody's doing the best they can to help you grow and to be the presence of love for yourself and for everyone. Continue to love yourself, knowing that you're helping the world and everyone else to love themselves as well and to share that love. Breathing a sigh of relief. And one more message coming through now from the angels. And it's a message of integrity. They ask you to stand and walk and talk with integrity, with authenticity, to be your fullest, highest, truest self. Let your highest self come through. Express yourself fully, without fear, without reservation, with complete trust in yourself, knowing you are lovable and worthy of love. Acting from that love, letting that love move you and guide you every step of the way. Thank you to all the angels and all these beautiful messages that have come through, especially Archangel Michael for working with us and helping to cut our cords of attachments, helping to free us of all those things that weigh us down. And know that he continues, along with all the other angels, to send you healing, loving light to fill all those spaces once for all. Bringing all those wonderful energies back to this time, back to this place, back to your mental, emotional, physical body, feeling healed and at peace.